Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's daily LeetCode question is evaluate Boolean binary tree. So we are given a root node of a full binary tree and the leaf nodes will either represent 0 or 1. 0 represents false and 1 represents true. So non-leaf nodes represents 2 or 3, 2 represents OR operation and 3 represents AND operation. So now what is a full binary tree? So let's discuss. A full binary tree is a binary tree which has number of childs are 0 or 2. So the childs of a binary tree node will be 0 or 2. It means it either leaf node or a parent of a 2 nodes. Okay guys, now let's look into example to understand this problem clearly. Okay guys, now let's look into this example. So we are given a full binary tree like this. So here 2 means the OR operation and 3 means AND operation. So we have to first evaluate the subtree and which represents AND operation, and the node values are and the node values are 0 and 1. So 0 represents false value and 1 represents true value, which means the AND operation between 0 and 1 is false. So we have to return false to the node. So we have to replace our node value with the false so that we can evaluate our upper binary tree, upper subtree. So now you can clearly see that 2, 1 and false is our leftover tree. So we have to evaluate this tree. So to evaluate this tree, we can clearly see that the 1 represents true and other one is false. The 2 means OR operation. Now what is the OR operation? OR operation is if either state is true state, the output will be true state. So you can clearly see that our output will be true. So we have to return true to our main function. So our output of this this binary tree will be true. Okay guys, now let's look into the approach and intuition part. So let's look into approach. So how we can traverse this? As soon as we look these type of questions, so one thing our come to mind is our traversal. So what traversal is it? Left, right and root. So we have to traverse left, right, then we have to find out the root value. So this traversal is known as the post order traversal. Oh, yes guys, do you know? So this traversal is known as post order traversal. Hence with the help of DFS we can simply solve this question. So first we have to travel left, then right, then root. Same again to the all the subtrees, left, right and root. So in this manner we can simply solve our solution and bring out the output. If you can have a dry run of this loop, so first we have to find out the leaf node. So how to find out the leaf node? And the leaf node condition is simple. If our left equal to null and our right equal to null, then it means it is a leaf node. So first find out the leaf node and determine whether it is a 0 or 1. If it is 0, then replace its value with false. If it is 1, then replace its value with true. So then only we can supply our chain and perform the operations of both the cases of AND and OR. Then next let's look into the root node. If root node is 2, then we have to perform the OR operation, and if our root node is 3, then we have to perform our AND operation. So to determine this, first we have to determine the values of leaf node, then we have to come up with root node and determine the values of root node. So our final intuition will be left, right. So determine the left and right leaf node values, then determine the root node value and perform the OR and AND operations with respect to the leaf node values. Okay guys, now let's look into the code explanation. So as we have previously discussed that we are going to follow the pre-order traversal and perform the pre-order traversal. For the first we have to find the leaf node and we have to determine its value. So I have a condition that if my value equal to 0 then return false, and if my value is not equal to 0 then return true. So how it works? 0 equal to 0 then false. If 1 not equal to 0 then true, because 1 is not equal to 2. 0 is equal to 0 then it will return false. So ideally I have decided the condition of my leaf node, then I will traversal my left and root node's value and either then root node. If the root node is equal to 2 then I will perform the value of OR operation. If my root node is not equal to 2 then I will perform AND operation and return the solution to the main function. I hope you understand this video and intuition part. The code is in the GitHub. Thank you.